Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. As you already know, Mainnet 3.0 has been delayed for 30 June, so we are prepared to see it on the 30 June. This is a daily update, guys. We are going to do a technical analysis and the price prediction for TFUEL. If you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share, join our Telegram group chat, and of course join our monthly subscription to take easy profits, guys. Get automated signals. Link is in the description down below. You can find them out both. So let's see here, where are we? Bill told you to wait, advised you to wait a little bit for TFUEL before you get in, because the reason is now we went down to 47 cents again, right? I got many people criticizing me for not doing the proper thing, but guys, patience is the key for success. Now we are at 47 cents. What is our target here? Our target is the 8 cents. We will discuss that when we can go there, or if we can go for the short term or maybe for the mid term. So the 47 cents here, you can see we are finding a little bit of resistance at the 50 cents, 54 and 57 cents are our main resistance levels, and 47 and 41 cents are our main support levels. In case we drop down from 41 cents, guys, this is not looking good, but we will discuss that later. Let's see now the MACD. On the MACD, guys, here on the 4-hour frame, we had a bearish cross, but we don't care. If we do something like this, we are absolutely fine. If not, and we fall down from this line right here, guys, then we won't be good. If we fall down from this line, then we will start be making lower lows and lower highs. Eventually now, on the 4-hour frame for the MACD, we had this bearish cross right here on 15 June, but we are still fine. We don't want to fall down even more. Let's go to TFUEL, guys, for the commodity channel index and the RSI. You can see though the commodity channel index is going into an oversold situation. It isn't yet, it isn't down to the minus 100, down from minus 100, but it is going there, right? So here we're having a buying opportunity. If it goes there, we are having a buying opportunity for a swing trade, but we will discuss that later when we get here. For the moment, we don't have any oversold situation. We are inside this gray zone right here, and you shouldn't consider, guys, that we are having now an oversold situation, especially for the RSI, that now it is here. But what we want to see is eventually if this can be our lowest here and go somewhat like this, breaking this resistance level over here, right? We need to break this resistance level for the RSI, our previous high, and of course climb up in order to say that we can go eventually to 57 cents again. But for now we should be careful. Although the commodity channel index is going into an oversold situation, that's good, guys. We might be going a little bit upwards in the next few hours. You can see the red line is above the green line. We don't have a buying opportunity according to the SSL channel indicator. So let's go now to the daily frame, guys, and on the daily frame you can see we are in the middle and a little bit to the top of the Bollinger bands. The top line is this, the bottom line is this. When we are going and approaching the top line, guys, we are having a very high risk. Therefore you need to sell around here, except when we are in an impulsive wave, we are going along in the top trend line. You can see here we are going along with the top line of the Bollinger bands. Right now, guys, we went a little bit down, correcting. We had the superstar candle of the daily frame. We went upwards, having a swing high. Now we are going a little bit downwards again. The RSI on the daily frame is between 30 and 70. What we want to see is going upwards again. And especially, guys, for the commodity channel index, we want to see is to go upwards again. From now on, we want to make higher highs and higher lows, eventually breaking this resistance level, the 100, and going into an overbought situation. That's what we like. Okay, so for now, for the daily, we are seeing that we are about to have a bearish cross. If we see this won't be very good, but let's hope for now we stay here, we get rejected and go upwards again before 30 June. But the angle here is looking like we are having a bearish cross. We are going to have actually a bearish cross. We will see about that though. We don't have it yet, so we can't assume anything right now. All right, so let's open the SSL hybrid, guys. You can see we had a selling here order, a buying order here, a selling here order, and we don't have any buying orders for now. We don't have the blue arrow so we can buy, we don't have the red arrow so we can sell. We had that before. Now we don't have anything according to this indicator right here. Let's go to TFUEL against Bitcoin, guys. You can see that on TFUEL against Bitcoin we went down to 0.4011 to 12. We wanted to find the resistance level of the 0.5 line. You can see here we almost found here there, and we went down, correcting more. So TFUEL now against Bitcoin, in the Bitcoin chart it is correcting for now. We need to see whether we can go upwards from here. I believe we can. We are in an oversold situation here. We are now not in an oversold situation again, but we are going to go again here, and I believe we can retest this resistance level, right? And it will be very, very good to retest this resistance level for TFUEL against Bitcoin. You can see the MACD on the 4-hour frame. We don't want to go beyond this level right here. Once we go there beyond this level, then we can always fall down even more. What we want to see is to stop here being our lowest point and now seeing a bullish recross surpassing this resistance line right here. That's what we want to see, guys, on the MACD on the 4-hour frame. And right now I believe we can reapproach, retest the 0.382 resistance line and the 0.236 around there, guys. You can see, because I've drawn 2 Fibonacci retracement, guys, that's why we are seeing so many resistance and support levels. So let's go to TFUEL against Bitcoin, the daily frame. You can see we are finding support on the 20-day EMA. We are looking good, except for this, guys. We don't look good because we have this bearish cross on the daily frame. That is not good, but we want to see whether we can stay above the 20-day EMA. And you know something, guys, when we are having so much distance between the price and the 20-day exponential moving average, we have a very high risk. Therefore, we need to let the 20-day EMAs, the 50-day EMAs reach the price, right? It is very, very healthy. And of course, right now, even if we saw this bearish cross right here for the MACD, we are standing pretty good, guys. We are pretty good. We don't want to go further down, but for now, we don't have any problem at all for TFUEL against Bitcoin in the daily frame, guys. So for the midterm, we are good. For the 4-hour frame, for more of a short term, we want to see if we can go upwards. I believe due to the oversold situation of the commodity channel index, we can move upwards and we can go outperforming Bitcoin. So let's see here, guys. We had the 3.0 Mainnet launch, and of course, guys, I want to say right now, if you want to join our monthly subscription, I have the link in the description down below. If you want to join our Telegram group chat, also the link is in the description down below. So let's go now to TFUEL to see the price analysis and the price prediction. 3.0 Mainnet launch, guys, 30 June. We are expecting to see that. And I told you guys, as we are going down, you want to invest some more, because I told you here to wait, because we would get down even a little bit more. So that's why I told you guys to wait. I got criticized so much for this, but eventually, guys, we went to 47 cents. What you want to do in this area right here is to invest some money, not all of your money, 20 to 30%, because after the mainnet launch, we usually see a breakout, we usually see a potential going upwards, right? And the next target, as you can see, is the 80 cents. That's our next target after we break the 67 cents. After we break there, this is our next target, 80 to 81 cents. Mark my words, guys, here. And I think we will be getting there, but in the meantime, you have to be careful. Don't invest, don't FOMO in all your money here. Don't do that, guys, because eventually you will see something on the Bitcoin chart. On the Bitcoin chart, we are getting into a squeeze point where we are seeing lower highs, higher lows. You know how it goes. It's either break up or break down. But at the moment, guys, I believe the possibilities of getting down are higher because on the daily commodity channel index. Everyone is saying that it is 50-50. Sometimes it is not 50-50, 50% to go up, 50% go down. No, it is not, guys. They are wrong. They just just don't see, guys, the technical analysis. So we are expecting right now to correct a little bit, but on the other way, there are many possibilities. I would say about 35 that we are going upwards, right? Because that is only, guys, because the commodity channel index is inside this gray zone for the 4-hour frame. Same here for the RSI, right? So we can stop right here, for example, let's say, and go upwards even more. So we can do that eventually. We can break above this top trend line, but we need to be careful right now, because if we see a crash right here, guys, if we see Bitcoin crashing down, then of course TFUEL will mean that we might go down even further below. So we need to be a little bit careful for now. You can see on the RSI, however, guys, on the commodity channel index, sorry, we are getting into the oversold situation we were talking about, right? So we are expecting some time to just correct a little bit, but retest probably the 54 cents. I believe we can retest it. We are going to have a swing high, but however, guys, even if we do something like this, then if you want to be sure, just wait a little bit, because we might see Bitcoin crashing more from now on, or Bitcoin going upwards. If it goes upwards, then it will be all fine. We are into a critical moment right here for Bitcoin, and we want eventually to see what we will do from now on. You can see we're having higher lows and lower highs, the top trend line and the bottom trend line. So for TFUEL, what is the future right there? After the 3.0 mainnet launch, guys, we might go even higher. We might go to 81 to 80 cents, but you should be careful. I've told you multiple times you should be careful. Due to the technical analysis, we have the superstar candle. We should be careful right here. And what I told you guys in the first of my first videos, guys, one of my first videos for TFUEL, is that multiple times we have seen some coins going in like this, finding the top, then had our last swing high, and then going down again. I've told you guys before, and this is what we did. We stopped at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, then went back down all the way to 47 cents again. So for now, you want to invest some of your money here on the mid-term, not for the short term, because if you want for the short term, I suggest you to wait more. If you want for the short term, guys, please do not swing trade for now. Although we are getting into a minus 100, guys, commodity channel index, and below we are getting these prices these numbers right here for the commodity channel index. Although we are about to have an oversold situation, we might not go upwards because Bitcoin is at a very, very critical moment. We have to be careful. Just patience, guys. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. And of course, you need discipline. You need discipline because if you invested in here, now you are in a loss and you could get into a better price. It doesn't matter that you are in a loss right here, guys. It doesn't matter because right now you are in a loss, but you don't want to sell when you are in a loss. That's the only time you actually lose something, right? Because when you are in a loss, you want to wait, and eventually we will get above the 55 cents, right? But we might need some time right here. We hope to get even higher. You know my next price target, 80 cents, 81 cents. I have two ways to find them. First of all, the minus 0.236, and secondly, guys, you know that if I draw my Fibonacci extension level, starting from this bottom to this top right here and to this bottom we formed down at 19th May, then you can see that the minus 0.236 is the 2.618 Fibonacci extension level. You can see that we have multiple ways to find our next target. And so 80 to 81 cents is our next target, mark my words. But for now, that's why I told you guys to be patient and to be careful, because as you can see, we went down from 51 cents. So guys, I advised you to wait a little bit and be patient. Of course, you can do whatever you want. You can always do your own research, but I'm here, guys, to save your time, right? I am here to advise you, and sometimes I might be wrong, guys, but most of the times we are getting it right. And now we went to 47 cents. We want to see if we can go even higher. 54 cents is very possible, but I would suggest you now not to swing trade except you want to buy for the mid-long term. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. I will daily update, of course, tomorrow. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.
we